Hey poopers, welcome to hashtag straight poop. My Nana Ann made the best tomato onion salad. My Papa Izzy happened to adapt it and put it on his brazier. A brazier was a small rectangular or square type of grill. You can Google it. What's a brazier charcoal grill? Anyway, she grew plum tomatoes and also these type of onions. They're bulb onions, French onions, whatever you want to call them. Okay, what I got in here is cannabis oil, a little bit of vinegar, garlic, salt, pepper, and lemon juice in this Ziploc bag. I took the plum tomatoes, I sliced them lengthwise, okay? These, I got rid of the greens, okay? I use that for something else. And I left the stems. So I took a knife and I went almost to the stem lengthwise, okay? So it's cut. It's gonna stay intact for the most part. Then when it's done and grilled, come back here, we'll take the stems off. Then I'm gonna cut it all up with a scissor. Then we're gonna dress it. Tomato onion salad grilled, okay? And it'll pack a wallop. All right, man, so we're gonna go outside. The pit is lit. And in the meantime, why don't you take a look at one of our pro tips. It's a chart I compiled from our cookbook, okay? Meet us outside afterward. Larry's pro tip. Enjoy. Welcome back, poopers. Hashtag straight poop. I got my plum tomatoes, got my onions. Out of marinade, I drank that marinade up. I'm getting some color on them. I really don't care how charred they get, okay? I really don't. Char is flavor. Now what I'm gonna do, so when we get inside, those, see the stem there on the other side? I'm gonna cut that out, okay? And those little petals should fall apart like the layers of a federal government, you know? So you cut off the tail and the layers. That's proven. So yeah, just want to get some color on here, and that's why the veggie basket works so well. Because you know what? I couldn't do this if I just laid it down on the tines here on the grid and expect it to not stick, even though I keep it clean. I mean, this is 30 some odd years of grime on here, but for the most part, it's seasoned well and it shouldn't stick, but it's fruit. And even though I got it lathered up in oil, it still may stick. Yeah. I just kind of want this stuff to blister. You know what I'm saying? You knows what I'm saying, sister. Yeah. I love this tool, man. I found so many uses for this tool that I really didn't think would be there, but it is. I did a recent one on a flatbread, and I thought, hell, if I use this thing, I could turn it upside down and not even have to put it on the grid, and I got more control. I did one with fish, man. I don't know what I did with that fish, but I know I used this thing. Yeah, look at that color. It's great. It's almost like it's a frying pan. You know what I mean? If you had a plancha grill and you were... Oh man, this is so fun. I love this. Yeah. And because it's marinated and it's got that cannabis oil, man, keeping it nice and moist. But look at that, the caramelization. Yeah, you guys can do this. Seriously, look how easy this is. Don't be afraid of grilling veggies. The whole point of this series is to show you that things can be done outside the norm. Meats, veggies, fruits, with cannabis can all be done outside the norm. For sure, I'm proving that every video. Anyway, I'm gonna get this off. And then take it in. I'm gonna dress it with a real nice dressing that my mom came up with, and I bottled when I was making barbecue sauce. And then when I was doing the tap room, I called it Bab's favorite dressing. I'm gonna mix that up. You'll get my mom's recipe. Okay, poopers? So we're going inside. Knock on the door. Pebby's upset again. Okay? Hang loose. Jump in the kitchen. We'll see ya. Hey guys, welcome back to hashtag straight poop. Got some diced or chopped bacon I've been frying in cannabis oil, and a little bit of balsamic and red wine vinegar combination. Okay? Good. I'm making my mom's dressing. Sugar. Tablespoon. Grind of pepper. Not adding any salt because bacon has salt. Garlic powder. Dusting. Heavy on the oregano. Light on the chives. And basil. Now, if it gets too thick like this, I'll lower this heat and add more vinegar. Okay. And the acid's always nice. Now I'll raise that. Okay. Give it a few more seconds. Get everything mixed up. So basically it's a hot bacon sweet and sour dressing. I took a scissor, I chopped off the ends, like I said, and the onion layers, you know, fell apart pretty easily like a third world government. And yeah, this is what we got. And I took my scissor and took everything. It's not chopped uniformly, but that's okay. So, taking this. I'm gonna try to get every little bit out. You got cannabis oil, you got good bacon, and the seasonings. There we go. Okay. Now my mom, my nana, and everybody else associated with this salad will be very proud of me, passing on the family recipes. You know, all has to do with barbecue and cannabis. And I just kind of tailored our recipes to you and me. That looks good, man. Okay, hang on. Proper platter. Okay. I want to drop this full. You know, if you wanted to make this vegan or vegetarian, I wouldn't blame you. But yeah, there you go, man. Grilled bulb onion, plum tomato salad. And hey, check the link. Should work for our free e-cookbook. It's the third time I posted it. If not, go to the description page and use my email address. Okay, thanks for joining us here, poopers. My dogs love having you here. I do most of the time, 99% of the time. But besides that, if you're waiting on us, you're loafing. And thanks for joining us again here at #StraightPoop. Hang loose.